Welcome class 9 in the first video of biology class. Do you know what is the first chapter of biology? The fundamental unit of life. So student, first of all make one copy and write down the following questions. So these 5 questions are very simple. You can write in your copy and then we will start the next topic, which is plasma membrane.
So we know that the cell is made up of these three components: plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. Cytoplasm and nucleus, and we can see the arrangement of cells inside the human chick. Now how three components are arranged? That cytoplasm and nucleus are enclosed within the plasma membrane. Now we will study about the plasma membrane. And the discovery of electron microscope has made it possible to investigate the following detailed structure of plasma membrane, according to which it is made up of protein and lipid and it is about 7 nanometer thick. In 1972, Singer and Nicholson suggested a model of plasma membrane, which is fluid mosaic model. Now let's see fluid mosaic model of a plasma membrane, a number of protein icebergs floating in the sea of lipids. According to them, it is made up of bilayer of phospholipid and two types of protein molecules floated in the liquid of phospholipid. Now see the diagram of phospholipid in a fluid mosaic model of a plasma membrane. Now all of you pause it and draw the structure of plasma membrane. Here you can see the type of proteins in the plasma membrane. Now let's start the function of the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane allows or permits only some molecules to enter inside the cell from the external environment and only the unuseful substance to go out from the cell. That's why it is known as selectively permeable membrane. This is the main function of plasma membrane. This is the answer of the question also. The question is why plasma membrane is known as selectively permeable membrane. You can write this answer for this question. Now what is our next question? How these substances move through plasma membrane of the cell? The answer is there are 5 ways through which plasma membrane perform its function. These functions are diffusion, osmosis, mediated transport, endocytosis and exocytosis. Now all these functions we will discuss in the next class in detail. Till then, goodbye.